Hey babes, welcome back. I hope you all are feeling amazing. So in today's video, I got some home updates for y'all. I was able to go to Hobby Lobby. I just felt like going to Hobby Lobby, and I did find a few things, of course, on sale, because your girl is always catching those sales. So I'm going to share with you all what I found from Hobby Lobby. Then I also did some shopping on Amazon, so I'm going to share with you my little mini Amazon haul too. So stay tuned for the video. So let me share my outfit of the day. So I know y'all heard of Skims before, and Skims can kind of be a little pricey. So while I was shopping on Amazon, I was able to find this Skims dupe. I hate to say dupes, y'all, because like, who wants to be like, I'm wearing a dupe? But this is, very similar to the Skims brand, and it is so comfortable. So I do have two pair of Skims, and the quality of these aren't the exact, but very similar. I do love how it fit. I love the tummy control. I love to kind of wear mine up like this, just to kind of, hide that belly a little bit. I do wish though, I could purchase it in like different sizes. So I would do like a small for my pants, and then maybe like a medium for my top. I'm just a little busty, so I kind of like will go for a medium size, just so it's not looking like so, I guess to me, like just a little small, but it's okay. The feel of it is very nice and comfortable. And this is just something that you can run out to the store with. I do kind of like to wear like a nice shirt or something over it, but you can wear this out to the store, run a few errands, and just wear it around the house. So they do come in different colors, so I will definitely leave that down below in the description box if you're looking for something that you can kind of slip on for the day and still feel really cute. This is my dining area. I'm always looking for inexpensive ways to just update my spaces. I get really bored with the same looks, and I like to just switch things up a bit without always spending an arm and a leg. So on my credenza, I'm going to place these candlesticks holders. I did find these at Target last year, but I think they do still have this style. And I ordered some candlesticks from Amazon, but I didn't think they were going to be here in time. So I did pick these up from Hobby Lobby. They were about like $1.49 a piece. And then I ordered this book holder. It's been pretty popular. I've been seeing a lot of creators use it in their home decor. So I'm just going to place that along the side of it with a coffee table book. This book at my local Home Goods or Home Sense, one of those stores, but they do sell it on Amazon. You can always like go to your local Home Goods or Marshalls to find like the coffee table books for a discounted price. Wanted to share with you the candlesticks that I originally purchased that I didn't think were going to be here in time, and I just love the style of these. They are in the color cappuccino, and they are just so good. I really love the look and just the decor of them, and actually they are on sale, so I will definitely leave those linked below. I've also picked up these little bubble candles. I've been seeing these all around as well, and they're just a little bit too expensive, but Hobby Lobby did have them for 50% off, so I did go ahead and pick those up. And I also picked up these I guess cast iron candlestick holders. They were also on sale. Amazon again does have them for a set of 3, but this price tag, I think the bigger one was $25.99, and then the medium one was $23, but they were 50% off, so I like that price a lot better. And then I'm just going to place this little bubble candle right here on my coffee table books. In my last video, I shared my new console table that I did purchase from Wayfair. I know a lot of you have been asking about this particular console table. It's definitely really nice, and I do love the style and the quality of it. I did find these dried flowers from Hobby Lobby as well, again on sale. And also this vessel too was on sale. I did purchase that maybe earlier in the year, also again on sale. And I've just been trying to figure out some ways just to style my console table, so I'm going to place those candlesticks on that side. I did find this lamp. It's a little damaged, but that was okay because I think that I am going to change out the lampshade. I did find this at Target, and I am going to incorporate that onto the console table as well. I always like to wait until I am like completely sure on a purchase before I like clip off those price tags. You know, your girl is always so like indecisive, so I do, and I don't mind taking something back. So y'all, this is a game changer for those socket covers. This works so well, you know, just to hide all those plugs. So I do have my lamp, and then I have my air purifier plugged in right here. So I'm just going to use this thing to cover it up and just give it a really nice and sleek look. This isn't home decor, but it did come with my recent Amazon package, and I had it out, so I am going to share it with you all. So I did have the Brio water dispenser, and it just broke on me after 2 years, and I just wasn't going to buy another one. So I decided to get this water dispenser with the filter, and you just place it in the refrigerator. Y'all, I cannot stand plastic water bottles, so I thought this was a better alternative. I was browsing around in Hobby Lobby. I found these clear labels, y'all. All I watch is the home edit. Joanna and Clea let me join the team. So my plan is to just reorganize my pantry. I had these canisters. I bought these from IKEA a while back. I do have a few of those, so I do want to organize my pantry sometime soon. These glass soap dispensers have been in my cart for quite some time. I just could not get over that price tag. Y'all, I'm just very conscious of how I circulate my money, okay? But I did go ahead and purchase them, and I'm really happy I did. They are really nice quality, so I do understand the price tag of them. You can, you know, put any label in there. They do come with lotion and hand soap, and they do come with this concrete tray. The tray does not drain, so you will have to like drain out the excess water that comes when you're like using the hand soap. It comes with, like you can see, dish soap, lotion, and I do like that they come with two, so just in case you mess up or one gets messed up, you can always replace it. Alright babes, as this video comes to an end, I hope that you have enjoyed hanging out with your girl. I hope that you were able to find just some home inspiration from a few of these Amazon and Hobby Lobby finds. If you have and you've enjoyed hanging out with your girl, please don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below. And if you aren't already, please go ahead and click on that subscribe button. I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.